I received a question from Ed that says, do you think there is a way that drones could be used to trim vegetation in areas where the terrain would make it difficult to access with conventional equipment? Ed, I have not myself seen these drones. My impression is that they're relatively small. And so I'm not sure to the extent or what capacity they would have to carry something like a saw. If you go on our website, you'll be able to access videos of helicopter tree trimming. You'll see it's a very long column that carries about 6 large circular blades, and I really can't imagine that the drone would have the capacity to lift something like that. Now, perhaps it could be developed on a smaller scale. I don't know that the public, using it remotely, something like that would be almost like kids playing video games. I don't know that they'd like that. There have been discussions about replacing some of the current practices that utilities have for transmission lines and areas that are relatively inaccessible, like you pointed out, Ed. Typically, they're flown by helicopter, both with people in it recording notes or collecting photographic information, LiDAR information, that sort of thing, to evaluate the condition of the hardware and clearances to vegetation. And that's been indicated as a possible use with reducing the costs and therefore allowing a more frequent inspection cycle. The uses that I've heard of for the drones, of course, are the military ones, predominantly. For example, military applications in southern Afghanistan, northern Pakistan. Now, those uses indicate that they definitely can carry some sort of load, and it also indicates that there would be the capability of clearing trees. However, that approach I don't think would be acceptable to the public, considering the collateral damage that would occur. Right now, Ed, it looks like the consideration for the use of drones is basically survey type work. Thanks for your question.